Hello everyone, this is Nudge with no intro and recording from my phone. I decided to take a break from Nyanchen Sugoroku DX for a while because my save files and most of my folders on this computer are very unorganized. For example, I accidentally copied a copy of Nyanchen Sugoroku DX from my Dropbox into the data folder of BK2, and I still had an updated version in my Nyanchan game folder, and I replaced the BK2 save file with the Nyanchan Sugoroku DX file, and so on. So there are a bunch of things going on right now, and I really don't know if I should, continue doing it, start a new game again, or just leave it alone and, well, I know what Daniel wants, but that's a different story. Anyway, this is going to be a little different. I found a program on audiogames.net called Music Beeper, and it allows you to make very small scripts that will use the computer's hardware or emulated PC speaker to beep out sound. Basically, all I can do is do a square or sine wave, depending on if you actually have a PC speaker or not. And I tried it on my Windows 10 computer right next to me on Saturday, I think. And of course, it worked, but it was a little, not the best. And I think it's going to be with everything, like this computer as well. In most new hardware, or laptops, should I say, I don't know about desktops because I have nothing to test it on, but with laptops, usually, it always happens that these PC speakers, emulated, kind of sound like sine waves, or triangle waves, whatever they are. And, it's the same thing with DOS programs. Like, if you want to use the PC speaker for DOS, or for anything, it'll use this thing, this sine emulated thing. But in like a DOS emulator or an Apple II emulator or something, it'll actually use an emulated square wave, but it'll be a little, if you know what I mean, like a little bit of vibrato in it, which I don't know if that really is the way it's supposed to sound. And also, I don't know about VMs, like new VMs run from Windows to Windows, just older versions. And I'm gonna experiment with this and see if I can run it on DOS, on Windows 2000, and on Windows XP. 'Cause why not? So first, let me explain what this does. I have this folder here. So there are 3 songs, 3 .song files, and you have to make files in Notepad and save them. There's a file type combo box next to the title, and you just go to all files, and title.song is a file extension. And there's the exe, which will allow you to select a song to play. README, of course, and the other song. So let's go into twinkle.song. First, I gotta tell this computer how to open it.
List, look for an app list. More options. List. More options. Use this app for all song files not checked. List, look. Use this app for all checked. List, look. List, Firefox. Goldwave Digital Informatics. MIDI sequencer. Notepad. Unknown. Twinkle song notepad. Multi-line.
Okay, so it just came up with Notepad, and
another example. Time for twinkle twinkle.
So this is comments.
Another example. Top semi.
You type semis to add comments.
Little star. Let's go. Little.
Oh, it's time for twinkle twinkle little star.
Space L-E-T-S dot space T-O. Let's begin. Blank. C4 125.
Okay, the way you do that, what you just heard was a note being generated. C note, octave 4. You just type in cap C 4
Space.
colon. You don't need a space, but I'm going to put in spaces, and then the duration of it in milliseconds. It's going to do that again,
Mute 125.
except first it's going to do a mute. If you type in mute with uppercase M, it'll do a silence for that duration, and then
C4. 100. Mute 1. G4. 125.
and of course that's a G4, A4, A4, G4, and
G4. 250.
that's 250 because that's the double of the duration, and then a mute for 250,
Length.
and then
Next.
you know it just goes on like it always did.
Music.
So now I'm gonna see how it sounds on this computer.
A moment available. Windows protected your PC window. Toolbar. Okay.
Um,
Run anyway.
you gotta click this
Music Keeper window.
first.
Items view list. Music Keeper X3 of 5. Music Keeper. Please enter the path to your song file. Extension is not needed. Blank.
You can always open .song files from anywhere by typing C or D : / whatever you have your folders in, or whatever you have your song file in. But if you just have one in your Music Beeper or whatever the directory is called, you just type in the song name. So I'm just going to type in Twinkle, and
Speech off.
let's see how it sounds, or does it actually have anything that can play PC speaker beeps. Let's go. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to sound from something that's not very good at PC speaker. As in, it's okay, but it's just, you know what I mean. Anyway,
Speech off.
let's have some more fun.
Lamps off.
I'm gonna make my own song. The way I do that is I open Notepad,
Red light. Untitled notepad. Blank.
and I'm gonna just make a song. I'm just going to write a simple code that will make a kind of ring, well, not ring, but like a chord scale thing. So I'm going to write G5 colon, everything's going to 200, everything's going to be 200, and then B4 200, D5 200, G5 200, and then backwards. B4 200 and G4 500. Now I'm gonna
G5. G.
get rid of these.
G5. G.
You have to make it all
G5. 2.
caps.
G5 colon space 2 0 0 B. D4. B. D4 colon space 2 0 0 B. D5 D. D5 dot space 2 space dot colon space 2 0 0 character D5 colon space 2 0 0 character D5 dot space 2 0 0 character D4 colon space 2 0 0 character return.
Wait,
D5 colon space 2 0 0 character D5 dot space dot
that's a dot.
colon 5 colon space 2 0 0 character D4 colon space 2 0 0 character D4 colon space 5 0 0 blank.
Okay, I had no rusts in that. I don't know what that's gonna sound like, but we're gonna find out.
File submit music.
What did I do? Oh, it worked.
Save as type expanded. Save as type lit. Namespace read and roll
Okay,
preview. Documents collapse 1 to 1 level 2.
Not yet.
Download.
Let's go to downloads.
Music Beeper collapse 1 expanded.
Music Beeper.
File.
Let's write melody
Y. Blank.
dot song.
Melody song notepad. Multi.
And all I gotta do is open Music Beeper.
Music Beeper X3 of 5.
Oh,
Lamp. H.
it didn't save it.
Lamp. Music. Read. Twinkles.
Why didn't it?
Type. Red light off selection. Test untitled notepad.
Why didn't it save?
Files. Open. Save CTRLSS. Save as. A.
Yeah, it works. You can save an empty file. That's weird. But what I don't get is why. Oh, it saves here. Okay. So all I gotta do is get out of here, and here's my melody.song. So I just gotta copy that, press Alt right, and go back and paste it in there. And there it is. So let's try and run it and see if it does it without any rests, because my other one didn't. It did it with rests for no reason. I don't know why, but it always has a fixed rest. Let's see what this sounds like. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That was supposed to be a G4, not a G5. But as you heard, that was 200. The last one was 500 milliseconds, and it always has like a 100 millisecond fixed duration. Now let's quickly run through lamb.song. You see, I think it's supposed to go way better, but there's this 100 millisecond rest on every single note. So, yeah, not that good. I don't know what the other one is called. Yeah, I didn't accept it. Oh, HCB, okay. HCB. So that's probably just a little warm-up thing. So, yeah, I just made a melody, and I'm gonna, instead of 5, it's gonna be 4. And, yeah. Now, let's have some fun. Let's see if Windows 2000 can actually open it. The way I do that... No, not Windows 2000, I mean DOSBox, Talking DOSBox. So I'm going to copy the Music Beeper folder into this thing. And there's a C drive folder in there. And I'm going to put it here. And let's run Talking DOSBox for my desktop. Start BNS.bat. Let's turn my speech off and open ASAP. Oh, good. So now let's type in C:\\\. Oh. Okay, let's just go to CD. Let's go through all these files by pressing tab. I'm in folders. Wait, music B tilde1. That's what it's called, okay. And of course, Sun, it's SONG. I don't know why it does that, but it does. Anyway, let's try and run it. Oh, screw you. Wait, what the? Okay? So you can't open that, and if you type...
Welcome to Music Beat. Have some fun with the PC speaker. Well, okay, most computers don't have PC speakers these days, and the rediscovery W the sound cards, but this can still be quite fun to mess with for a few minutes best. If you can get your hands on a PC speaker, it makes it all the more fun. If you happen to have a PC speaker and you're on any version of Windows or XP, just use an XPDM and the speaker will work regardless. Keep in mind I didn't write this for any specific purpose, but with only fun and experiment on my mind, so don't expect too much out of it or very many updates. But I figured I'd throw it out there in case some people happen to find it entertaining. Also, if any songs you make with this are a bit choppy using the newer driver DH that forward speaks to the sound card, it's not this program's fault. It's actually either the fault of the WinAPI or the WebDriver itself. Anyway, in short, this program lets you write your own little simple songs quite easily, and it will automatically read your songs back at you. Just press create. Either song file containing the little script anymore, run the exe file and type in the path to the file path is irrelevant. As always, this song file is in the same folder, and then all you have to do is listen. Pretty simple, right? Since the program in itself is so simple, I'll now go ahead and explain how you can make your own songs with the program. It's actually very simple. It's like an ultra-mini script that you type and it opens a supports two commands: note colon duration and mute colon duration. You substitute note for any note you want. Literally, the duration is in milliseconds. So if I wanted to have a deep run before octet playing for a second, I'd type this into my song file, people colon 1000. Note you don't have to have a space after the colon, but I think most will read it. You can also do sharp notes. So if I want to play a C sharp run the fifth octet for a second, I'd type the following: C colon 1000. Next, the mute command. This basically inserts some silence into the playback because you can't double at a song without that colon D. It's simple to insert a second of silence into your song. Do the following: mute colon 1000. You can also start any line with a semicolon to act as a comment. So if you decide to write a long song and you need to get to a part of it, you can use your wonderful hand dialogue to search for a word, not a note, a lot easier. So if I double you and it to write a comment, which can be anything so long as the line starts with a semi and type this. This is my comment below folks. You can simply open some files in Notepad and type the commands. You can use PHP3 examples included to get a book fast to how the song syntax works. If there's an error in your song file, the program will tell you what line the W are always open and what it thinks is wrong. You can then go fix it. Click notes on the song script. You can only have one statement per line, so a note and a mute can't be on the same line. You must type note colon duration, press enter and type mute colon duration. All notes and the mute command start with a capital letter such as C or mute. Failing to do this will result in an invalid note error. Music Beaver doesn't care what commands you type. It just responds to every command. Therefore, it is perfectly fine to have a note on one line and note on the next line. Multiple mute segments following each other and comments and I'll if you wish. Well, I hope you get a bit of fun out of this program. Enjoy C colon music 1.
So it does read text, of course. It should. I mean, it's normal Microsoft crap. So you can't run it. And the weirdest thing about it is,
Music 1 DXE.
if you open it, it just does this.
This program cannot be run in DNS mode.
Why does it do that is beyond me, but I can't open it, so good luck with that. But I have a solution. I forgot there's Windows 3.1 on this thing, so if I type in C:\Windows and then type, it will do this. Yay, Windows 3.1. And it's gonna run Windows in a bit. You know, Windows 3.1 doesn't take that much time to start up. Neither does DOS. That's cool. I mean, my computer starts up way much slower. Yeah, of course. I know. Let's just get out of here. Oh, here it is. Yep. File manager. Let's go in here.
Open directory. Open directory. Index and option. Open directory. Music to the 1. Index 10 of 16. Multi-selection. List box. Miscellaneous file. HCD to the list box. Open directory. Music to the
you gotta do this.
Open directory. Music to the 1.
And then you press tab.
Miscellaneous file. Miscellaneous file.
Oh no, it's there. Okay.
Miscellaneous file. Melody to the 1 point. Executable file. Music to the 1 point. Text file. Readme point. Bottom index. Miscellaneous file. Twinkle to the 1 point. Some index 7 of 7. Selected.
And then the first one is just back.
Text file. Executable file. Music to the 1 point.
Okay. Let's see what happens if you run this.
Executable file. Music to the 1 point. Index 5 of 7. Selected.
Is that it? Wait, what the crap? It beeps every time you press something. Not good. Don't know why it does that. How can you escape out? You can't. Very weird thing. Me.
Desktop status window 1 of desktop D Siri downloads talking desktop 12 of 12. Desktop says the end of CP desktop.
Yeah, it's just beeping at me no matter what I do. Not good. Don't know why it does that, but it doesn't like it, so not a good idea. Wait. Oh, it's this thing again. You can't escape out of this window. Okay. Let's close this. Close this too. Close this. Close all this. Okay. Now let's open
Item
I
view list.
don't know if I
Inbox, desktop, this PC 106.
I don't have
PC.
Music Beeper
Downloads,
open
desktop,
anymore,
download 3.
so let's open it.
Quick tap. English, Hungarian. Music Keeper 2501. Items view list. Selected. Music. Items view.
Okay, so
Items view list. Music Keeper 101. Desktop, Music Keeper 101.
I'm gonna put this time into the folder that I
Items view
made
list. Items view. Desktop. Documents
for
view. Download. Date created.
shared in Windows 2000. Unfortunately, I didn't make it any folder in any folder like I did with Windows XP. I did a completely new folder that I can put things from and to. And it kind of makes sense. It kind of works.
Documents.
Kinda being the keyword.
Download.
Now let's go into my VM folder right here
Items view.
and
Selected.
put it in
Items
the
view. Selected.
shared folder I have
Music Keeper 606. Items view.
and
Cycle.
run Windows 2000. Now, I'm not familiar with the screen reader, but I'm good with it. I mean,
List wonderful.
I can use normal Windows commands to operate Windows 2000 like always.
Windows 2000 Professional 3 of 4.
That's the one I want. So this thing is called IBM Desktop Reader 3.04, I think. And it works. It uses some old version of Eloquence in case, like, I don't know if that really is how it works or not, but it kind of sounds like Eloquence to me. Let's just run this and
Windows XP 2 of 4. Windows multi-line read only. Selected Windows X. Play virtual machine hotel.
play.
Multi-line read only. Selected Windows 2000 Professional.
Why can't you play? Oh, you can. Okay.
Apps log on. Apps log off.
So now I gotta
No action. Screen activate. Player. Bottom player. Activate.
like that. Click on there and wait for it to start. You're gonna hear the Windows 2000 startup, of course, as well as the desktop reader starting up, which is gonna make a noise, and then and I'm gonna press Windows M to go to the desktop. Oh wait, can I do that? I don't know if I can, but if I can't, then okay, fine. And then I'm just gonna navigate there and check what's there. I hope I still can, because I haven't done it before. I just did it once, and then I just stopped. Okay, it should start up in a few seconds. It's not that slow. I mean, I don't know how much RAM I put into it, though, so, maybe a little slow, but still. You need to start up already. Come on. Thank you. And here's Desktop Reader. In a bit.
Tray.
It says tray when it starts up.
Taskbar show desktop tray. Task. Program manager desktop. My documents not selected. My documents.
Okay, let's go into my computer. Pressing Windows E.
My computer level 1 expanded.
Okay, I forgot how you
Close push
navigate
button.
this.
Insert disk keys insert my computer. Address combo
It's not
doc
the way it
connects to
works.
other computers. Networks and my doc 3.1F floppy. A. Not selected. Shared folders on warehost. Control panel. Shared folders on shared folders on warehost. Shared.
Yep, there is the folder.
Shared.
And does it work?
Drupal
It
1.5.
does.
Media.
So I got a bunch of files in here, and I just gotta look for.
Music Beeper.
There it is.
Music Beeper. Music Beep hcb.song. Music Beeper.
.exe.
README.
And
Music Beeper.
it's got left and right navigation as well, so you have to press left and right to go through. There's like a row and column system. And this should work, in theory. So I'm just gonna launch this.
Z. /shared /music beeper /music beeper.exe Z. /shared /music beeper /music beeper.exe is not a valid Win32 application.
Oh, screw
Okay, push
you! I thought it was. I mean, it can run fine on this thing, on Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, so why can't it run on this thing?
Music Beeper music.
I mean, if someone got it to work on Windows XP, then why doesn't it work on this? Crap. So, whenever you try to run it
Program map.
from anywhere,
Run
like if you
open.
do
Edit
run,
Y. Backspace. Y.
Z,
Colon.
colon
Backslash. C. Space. E-A-P-E-R. Backslash. C. Space. E-A-P-E-R. Period. E-X-E-Z. Backslash music cannot find the file Z. Backslash music or one of its components. Make the program run OK. Push
Can
button.
you,
Can't browse. Type the name
yeah,
of
you
browse.
can.
Browse
Browse.
by history. Put shared.
Yep,
Shared.
there it is.
Media. Music. Quick. Music deeper. Run. Cancel. OK. Put browse. Alt type Z. Top. Cap Z. Colon. Backslash.
Oh, it actually says Cap Z. That's something.
S-H-A-R-E-D.
Oh, you gotta go in there. Okay.
Backslash. Cap M. U-S-R-C. Space. Cap B. E-E-P-E-R. Backslash. Cap M. U-S-R-C. Cap E-E-P-E-R. Pure E-E. Quote. End.
Quote?
Quote.
Why is there a quote there? Anyway, if you try to run this, it's gonna do the same thing as before.
Z. Backslash share. Backslash music beeper. Backslash music beeper. .exe. Backslash share. Backslash music beeper. Backslash music beeper. .exe is not a valid Win32 application. Program manager.
So, that's a no. A kind of big no, if you know what I mean. Let's shut this thing down.
Shutdown. Restart. Shutdown.
Like any other Windows OS, except in Windows
Windows
XP it's
2000
called turn off. Now let's open Windows XP and hope that's gonna work, because if not, then none of them are gonna work. I could try Windows ME with JAWS demo, but I don't use that anymore because it doesn't work with shared folders.
Pane invisible.
What the?
Pane invisible. Blank.
That's weird.
Top blank. Bottom blank.
Anyway,
VM 106. VM window.
it's still here.
Shared 1 of 4. Windows V3 of 4. Windows XP
If you open any of these from here, it will work, but you gotta open the right one.
Windows XP 1 of 1.
So I'm just gonna open VMware Player again.
VMware Player. Non-commercial use only. Windows XP 3 of 4.
Let's open this.
No play virtual machine. Unavailable. Multi-line read only. Selected Windows XP pane. Player. Bottom player. Windows XP VMware Player. Non-commercial use only. Player. Bottom player.
Wait, did it
Activate
work?
pane.
Yeah, it does. Okay, this takes a little more time, probably even more. Yeah, because it's using a lot of RAM. I wanted it to, well, I had to get rid of the RAM, a little bit of the RAM, but I needed to have enough for it to actually run, and it does run. It connects to the internet as well, and I can't believe it automatically did. It's running the latest version. Oh, it already started up. It's running the latest version of NVDA. What the crap was that? And it doesn't have any add-ons, but you can.
NVDA. Desktop list. Unknown.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta put it into the program files, so I ran it without thinking. So I'm going to get rid of this for a while. Don't know how you do that. Oh, do you just
Secure desktop. Windows.
press Control Alt Delete?
Windows XP VM207.
Yep.
Let's
Let's put
VM207.
Music Beeper.
Share box. Items. Select. Windows XP 101.
Wait, no, didn't mean to do that. I'm in the wrong folder.
Windows 10. Icon. Desktop 1 of 10 row. Combo.
Yeah. Let's try that again.
Items. Selected. Items. Music Beeper.
Music Beeper. Yeah, here it is.
Items. Music.
Music Beeper. Copy that folder into my program files x86 because that's the one I have shared on this one.
Items. View list.
And yes, I did it because why not?
Devices. Namespace 3 control. Selected. Program files. x86. Items. View.
x86. Put that in
Destination folder
there.
access denied.
Yes,
Pause the operation.
okay.
Pause the operation. Program
And
file.
it should work.
Share window. Items. View list.
So let's
Windows XP.
open.
Windows XP.
I
Player.
mean,
Bottom player. Activate. Change.
yep, here it is.
Control panel C6 of 11 provides options for you to customize the appearance and functionality of your computer, add or remove programs, and set up network connections and user accounts. Tooltip.
Cool. Anyway.
My documents M1 of 11 tooltip. My pictures M3 on my music M4 on my computer M5 of 11. Taskbar. My computer. Folder view list. 3 of DVD drive D. Type. 10 folders on VMware host Z. Type. Folder view list selected. Your computer. Folder view list. NVDA. Type. Judgment make rack. Type. File folder. Make modify. NVDA.
Wait. Is this...
Iron chunking. Type. Perflogs. Type. Program
Oh,
files,
it has access to the whole C drive. Okay, cool. How cool is that? Anyway,
Program files x86. Type.
if I just go in here...
Microsoft Office.
Should
Microsoft
be
Sync Mozilla
here.
Firefox 30 MS 30 OpenAL 30 Quentin C game.
Oh, no, it's not. Wait, what?
Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office.
That's weird. Oh, wait. It was there, wasn't it? Oh, there it is. I don't know why it moved. Oh, that's why, because it's left to right. I forgot. Okay, here it is. So it actually gives you information on the files right on the spot without any tooltips. I like that. Okay, let's run it and see if it doesn't give me an error. No, I don't want to do that. Yay, it worked! Finally! Okay, so let's type in melody and hope it's gonna work. Aww, it doesn't beep. Unfortunately, it works, but it doesn't beep. So, that sucks. None of my VMs can use this program to make better PC speakers sound. Unless I use it with a desktop, it's not gonna work. The only way it's gonna work is, I wonder what would happen if I would change... No, I can't... Wait. Oh, yeah, that's what would happen. Anyway, yeah, this doesn't really work, does it? Anyway, that was a tour of my VM setup and, a few of the things that I have on my computer. So at least you got an insight of what my Acer contains. Why is there Why is that on a toolbar? That's weird. I completely forgot the things in the start menu of Windows XP. Like I've been using it since 2007 and I forgot. Because I have been using it. Like, I've been using it at least once a week in 2013. And, yeah, I haven't used it since when I got the VM. Anyway, let's just turn this off. Turn that off. And, yeah. Din 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 din.
Please wait, unknown unavailable.
Yeah. Anyway, that was Music Beeper. If you would like to get it, you can, of course, comment on this video, and that's it for this one. So I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for
8:24 p.m.
now. My insert key is broken. Anyway, bye. Or not. You're up.